Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano, and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 Enhancement 2 SQL Statements. I will follow the assignments, the tasks of the assignments. First, I will insert a new client on the table, clients. Here, put the code. It's correct. Let's check. Okay, on start, mail, client password, level, and comments. Now I will modify the start record to change client to level 3. Okay. It's correct. Now client level number 3. Number 3, modify nylon rope to climbing rope. Nylon rope number 15. Okay. Here, nylon ropes now climbing rope. Number 4 is user and inner join to select the in name field from inventory table and category name, and it will show 7 records on this category. Okay. Now it needs to show 7 records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the last assignment is to delete the conseg CCX car from the database. Okay. Okay. Okay, the car was here. It was inv name inv ID number 7, so it's not here anymore. This is it. Thank you.